Come with us and we come to Harold's Chicken, the best chicken in Houston. Again, this is Harold's on Westheimer in Houston, Texas. Come with us. Again, it has the best fried chicken. I think they're originally from Chicago, but the best fried chicken, the price are reasonable. Check it out. So this is the inside of the restaurant. It's very quiet. They're always very professional. Food is good. Again, this is Harold in Houston, Texas on Westheimer. Comment below, where do you want us to go? Make sure you subscribe. Again, this is the inside. I had the fish and French fries, the mine. You'll see.
So what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are here once again at Harold. So nice, we have to do it twice. So I had the two breasts. The chicken is fried right, as you can see. Very juicy. It's well seasoned. That she did ask if I wanted some like a different something to put over it, but the chicken is fried just right. Fries are good. I have their, I think it's called the mild sauce, I believe. So the mild sauce gives it a sweet, tangy flavor, especially with the fries. This comes with like toast and fries and coleslaw. Got rid of the coleslaw, got some extra fries, but very good. Loving it, loving it.
Alright, so I got the fries. So you get a plethora of fries. And you can see my catfish is almost gone. You can see some kind of lemon pepper seasoning. Let's see. Good. 2 thumbs up. And I got the Philly egg rolls, Philly cheese egg rolls. Comes with the appetizer. Harold's chicken and shrimp, highly recommended. Make sure you follow us, subscribe for more food adventures and travel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, watch the whole video through. Where do you want us to go next? Again, subscribe, comment. Where do you want us to go next? Enjoy these pictures.